Good morning, everybody. Welcome to 21 Million. I am your host, Pete. Please take a moment, just like and subscribe to my channel. Big news coming out of Twitter today. We will go over soon. And the market is acting a little crazy. Bitcoin's acting a little crazy. I don't know what to make of it, heads or tails, but we will go over that too today. Firstly, let's take a look at the market. Coin market cap, we have market cap. It is at just over $1 trillion still. 24-hour volume still up from earlier this week. Earlier this week it was about 42, 43 billion. It's at 64 billion. Now market dominance, Bitcoin dominance, 41%. Down a little bit from yesterday. It was 42%. Yesterday, Ethereum dominance at 18.7%, about the same as it's been. Bitcoin's at holding 23,500. Ethereum's at 1663. BNB up, definitely up this week. It's closer to $300 earlier this week, probably on Monday. It's at $332. XRP's at 40 cents. Cardano's at 40 cents. Dogecoin over 9 cents. Matic at a 125. And like I've been saying, watch out for Litecoin going into the summer. You might see a pop from Litecoin with the halvening coming up. Everybody's got their drinks. I hope everyone's got their drinks. Big announcement came out of Twitter today. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Like always, let's start at the weekly. So the weekly's looking good. So I switched over from candles, regular candles, to the Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, and the Heikin Ashi candles work off of averages. So generally, you can see trends a little bit better. So clearly, we're trending up. Okay, and something exciting on the Heikin Ashi. So the Heikin Ashi and the regular candles work a little bit different when it's calculating through Market Cipher. So last week, we had the blue triangle pop up. This week on the Heikin Ashi, we have the blue triangle. Same idea. Blue triangle, movement up. Blue triangle, movement up. You know, COVID, same thing, same spiel. Nothing's changed. It's just exciting to see them, popping up week after week. Okay, that's the big one. It's week after week. So, a couple bullish things I did see today. Let's go down to the daily. Actually, no, I'm not done with the weekly. So keep in mind, guys, the money is coming back in. We want it to look, obviously, you want it to be nice curve like that. And this is the time when you really, things are very bullish. But at some point or another, it's going to start like it did previously. This is in 2019. Okay? It's going to start curving in, which it's doing now. It's curving in. Okay? And that's when you're going to start seeing the green. This right here, don't forget, this is COVID, guys. This is world pandemic. This is things getting weird in the world. All right? So, with that being said, let me just get rid of these so they don't mess me up. Moving on, let's take a look. Let's go down the chart a little bit. Let's go to the 4-day. Same idea. We have the money coming in, cutting in. It's cutting in. And like last time, it cut in. Okay? So that's exciting. That's bullish. That's bullish. Things are turning for crypto. Okay? Let's go down to the 2-day. Same idea. We already have the start of the money coming in. Okay? So it's back. It's over here on the 2-day. Okay? Let's keep on looking. Let's look at the daily. Let's take a better look at Market Cipher B. On the daily, VWAP is cutting in. We're in the money. We're in the green. Obviously, we had a big January. And I wanted to see the 4-hour. See, the 4-hour, to be very honest with you, I put a long in today. I was a little, yesterday I was kind of skeptical. I didn't know. I really didn't see anything. But today I definitely saw the VWAP cutting in, okay? When the VWAP cuts in, okay, we see movements up. Okay, VWAP cuts in, all right, movement up. It's just how it works. Okay, plus we're in the green. We're still in the money on the 4 hour. So I'm going to be a little bit more bullish. When on Market Cipher, when you're in the money, okay, you want to long. Okay, the trend is your friend. When you're in the red, when there's money coming out of the market, things are less likely to be bullish. They're going to be bearish. So you want to short it. Okay, so when it's in the red, you want to buy. If you're going to hold, if you're going to spot trade, you're buying. Okay, if it's I don't spot trade. I leverage trade. I leverage trade on Femex using Market Cipher because it's a no-brainer. But let's continue. I would definitely say, and I think I saw something on the 3 hour too. 3 hour, same thing. VWAP is cutting in. All right, cutting in. I'm going to long. See it cut in over here. All right, and it went up. It's just what it is. Going to get a little movement. I'm not looking for a major win right here. I know. Let's take a look. I want to see something with you guys. Let's go to the daily real quick because I think I had. And let's see. Let's take a look at. Let's shut off Market Cipher for a second. Let's do a little Fibonacci fib retracement. Let's go from here down to here. All right. So yeah, like I was. So we're getting a little resistance at the 0.5 Fibonacci level. Okay, which would be $23,925. I got to put my glasses on. $23,925. Okay, and you can see, if you look, these are wicks. We're wicking in, trying. Okay, so is it possible? Can we break through? Okay, so the poll that I just had was: are we going to break through in the chat? Are we going to break through that $24,000? Basically, $24,000. We have to get over and hold and close. Okay, we're going to want to close that on the weekly. Okay, we're going to want to get over 24,000 and hold it. Okay, which is about right here. Okay, we're going to want to get over that and close above it. As you can see, we're wicking. It's trying. Okay, in my opinion, and I say this all the time, Bitcoin does things in a big way. We're not going to see, it hobble over 24,000. Okay, I think maybe Monday, Tuesday of next week, usually over the weekend, it's not that strong, So I think we're going to see a bigger move, and it's going to go to like 25,000 and then come back down and hang above, and we're going to have a whole week above 24,000. It's definitely 24,000, and we're going to close above. Okay, I'm very bullish. I know some of these other people talking right now are still very bearish. They think that we're going to see to the downside, but all of my indicators point to this ship is turning around. Even with the Fed raising rates, I don't think anything's going to change it. If a global pandemic didn't stop it last time, nothing's going to. Okay, so let's keep it moving. I won't take up too much of your day. So let's take a look. Big news out of Twitter. Starting today, Twitter will share ad revenue with creators for ads that appear in their reply threads. To be eligible, the account must be obviously subscriber to Twitter Blue Verified. Everyone that's saying, yesterday I was reading something, someone said, there's going to be a mass exodus from Twitter. It's like, are you crazy? Elon Musk is not going to let this fail. He just did this. People are going to be tweeting and posting like crazy now, trying to get their engagements up. Okay, they're going to want to get their engagements up. They're going to want to get a lot of comments, obviously, because that's where the ads are going to run, and that's how they're going to get paid. And it says to be eligible, the account must be a subscriber to Twitter Blue Verified. How many people are going to sign up now? With mild engagement, so they can partake. Maybe get a paycheck. So many. The guy's smart. Don't bet against him. And while we're at it, I got 141 followers. So if you're watching this, pop onto Twitter, give me a follow, give me a like. I'd appreciate it. More news. And this guy, I can't stand this guy. Logan Paul slapped with a class action lawsuit by CryptoZoo investor. So a police officer, Logan Paul is sued by an aggrieved CryptoZoo investor. The influencer has been accused of orchestrating a rug pull, and his assistant manager and project lead developer are also named in the class action lawsuit. It's claimed that once customer funds were obtained, developers abruptly abandoned the project and failed to deliver the promised benefits and did not deliver a refund. So he basically took advantage of his community, the people that support him, that watch his YouTube videos, that watch, his brother too. His brother's involved. I mean, not involved, but, guilt by association. But, these people watch his podcast, they support him, and then you're going to go and just make a quick buck on your community. What such a loser. And then the other thing I saw, just to add in, he abandoned his pig. How do you abandon an animal? It's disgusting. So, anyway, to continue, let's talk about that guy, Sam Bankman-Fried. Love that guy. Judge bans Sam Bankman-Fried from contacting FTX employees and using Signal. A New York judge has prohibited Sam Bankman-Fried from attempting to contact any former or current employees of Alameda Research or FTX. Sam Bankman-Fried has also been prohibited from using Signal, obviously, or other ephemeral messaging applications. Prosecutors claim that Sam Bankman-Fried had reached out to at least one employee identified as Ryan Miller, the current general counsel for FTX US, to allegedly attempt to influence his future witness testimony. And this is the best part. I would really love to reconnect and see if there's a way for us to have a constructive relationship, use each other as resources when possible, or at least vet things out with each other. The funny thing about this is that he has the best lawyers in the world. They have to be advising him, do not contact anybody. He's just making it worse for himself. He's like, let's get together and have a conversation, and let's talk about, let's get on the same page about things. It's so crazy. I have no idea what he's thinking. Whatever his lawyer's thinking, this must be a ploy somehow, or they had no idea, and they're just, hand and face. Can't believe that he's doing this. But, so that's the end of the show. Guys, I appreciate you for listening. Please, like I said earlier, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter